My name's Dave Bass. I got caught smuggling drugs and now I'm in prison. They took away my hair to stuff mattresses. And I wish I'd never done it. Just kidding, nah. No, actually, I shaved all my hair off. Well, all of it, so got rid of it all because it's so humid and it was just wet every day, sweating. So I was to get it all off, can't be arsed with it anymore. Anyway, I put no vlogs up. Well, I just loaded one today, but I've had so much problems with tech. My laptop, don't know what happened there, I had to reformat it. The GoPro, the new one, GoPro 7, wasn't, I don't know if it was coming out slow motion, I don't know. I think they're sorted now. My drone, I practiced, like an idiot, I thought I'd try it in the bedroom. When I got it back, because I left it at Coaching, and I took it up, fucking in the bedroom, and the fan was on, and I don't know, the fucking rotors and the fan together, fucking straight down the side of the bed. So it's I don't know if I fucked it or what, but it's, but on that footage, if you notice, it's streaking on the screen, because I couldn't see, it's not showing on my phone screen what the camera's seeing, so I couldn't see what the drone was seeing, if you know what I mean. That's why I just cut it short, just so that where it goes up and comes down again. What else has gone wrong? My phone, that went wrong, so I had to get a new phone. Even my fucking suitcase I borrowed off someone, that one there, the fucking wheel fell off of it, so I had to buy another suitcase. There you go, there it is, another suitcase. I think that's it really. This is where I'm staying at the moment. This is my room for, that's not a window outside, by the way, that's a window to fucking the other rooms. But I paid £73, I think, for a week. Yeah, 7 nights, you can't knock it. I mean, it's all right, you know. At least you've got a kettle. It's the first time I've had a kettle in, so I can have my tea in the mornings. There's the bathroom. The old famous bum gun, which I love. Yeah, I was through the side really. It's more like a dorm thing. There's loads of rooms, but all like it's like a dorm. I don't know what it is like. Anyway, I'm on the 4th floor. There's no lift, so I'm fucking knackered every time I walk upstairs. Yeah, I think that's it. So basically, I'm gonna try and upload some more stuff. I'll get some proper drone shots and upload some more videos hopefully this week. I'm going back to Wahin by ferry on Tuesday, so I'll try and set up my GoPro for time lapse to get a bit of that. I've never done ferry before, so that might be exciting. And I've used a passenger ferry, it's not a car ferry, nothing like that. And yeah, hopefully I'll start having some stuff up soon. And you can enjoy Thailand with me. I'll try and get some more stuff. I'll try and get some night stuff as well. I know a lot of people like to see night stuff, but they're a bit dodgy on cameras. So I'll try and get a few if I can. Anyway, this is me signing out. I'll see you soon, boys and girls.